Homes without underfloor heating can often work with a heat pump, but the answer depends on the building rather than the label. The key question is how much heat the property loses on a cold day and how effectively that heat can be delivered back into the rooms. Underfloor heating works well with heat pumps because it has a large surface area and can run at low water temperatures, but many homes use radiators successfully. The question is whether your emitters can deliver enough heat at an efficient flow temperature. We check this during design so you know whether existing radiators are suitable or whether selective upgrades are needed.